Hello and welcome to this course, Ionic 3, Build a Complete Mobile Weather App from Scratch. My name is Uzochukwu Eddie and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. In this course, we are going to build a complete weather application. We're also going to see how we can generate the required file that we can install on our mobile device. In this course, we are going to use the Ionic framework and the Cordova framework as well to build our weather application. In this course, you will learn about different Ionic commands that can be used to generate things like the pages, directives, providers, as well as components. You will learn about all of those in this course and also some other commands available. You're going to see how to use different Ionic native plugins and also Cordova plugin. In this course, we are going to use the Ionic native geolocation plugin. That plugin will allow the user to get or know his current location. We are also going to see how to use the structural directives and also build our own custom directive. Because in our application, we are going to dynamically set a background image for our weather. And we are going to do that using the custom directive that will be built. In this course as well, we are going to see how to create providers that will enable us communicate with the third-party API. We are also going to use a third-party API like the Open Weather Map API. Also, we are going to use the Google Maps Places API that will enable us get places autocomplete, and we are going to add the functionality inside our project. These and many more functionalities will be learned and used in this course. So at the end, you will have a fully functional and working mobile weather application.